Here we go, we're at the MGM Grand Casino, Las Vegas. Let's go have some fun. Stay well, Executive King. Let's check it out. We chose the Stay Well room because it has certain amenities that other hotels don't. For example, you have access to a lounge that has water and snacks throughout the day. The room has an air purification system, citrus-infused showers, nice bed and pillow, aromatherapy, and other cool features which we'll check out and we'll recap at the end. Let's go have some fun. Yep, really does work. And down here we have the air purifier. The bathroom enhanced lighting feature. The citrus infused shower and tub combo. And the citrus infused shower. And of course, the view from the room. And the closet. The safe is right next to your bed. Just pull out the second drawer and it's right there. And these beds are supposed to be super comfy. We'll find out. And this little bad boy is a scent cube which puts out a good smell. Little amenity kit with mask and hand sanitizer. If I had to pick two things I didn't like about this hotel slash floor is, number one, as soon as you get out the elevator, the hallway stinks. Smells like something's rotting. And number two, the bed itself is a little too hard for my liking. Just my opinion. Time to check out the Stay Well Lounge, which is also your private VIP check-in. In the morning, you get granola bars. Throughout the day, you get water. It's open from 9 to 9. Check it out. Here we go, time to check out the gym at the MGM Grand. Let's go have some fun. The gym is small but efficient, and it gets the job done. Here we go, floating down the lazy river. Good times floating down here. Relaxing. Wet Republic, here we go! Let's go have some fun! Last stop of the trip.